Common video formats. There are many video formats out there. The MP4, WebM, and OGG formats are supported by HTML. The MP4 format is recommended by YouTube. M-JPEG. M-JPEG developed by the Moving Pictures Expert Group. The first popular video format on the web. Not supported anymore in HTML. AVI. AVI, Audio-Video Interleave. Developed by Microsoft. Commonly used in video cameras and TV hardware. Plays well on Windows computers, but not in web browsers. WMV. WMV, Windows Media Video. Developed by Microsoft. Commonly used in video cameras and TV hardware. Plays well on Windows computers, but not in web browsers. QuickTime. QuickTime. Developed by Apple. Commonly used in video cameras and TV hardware. Plays well on Apple computers, but not in web browsers. Real Video. Real Video. Developed by Real Media to allow video streaming with low bandwidths. Does not play in web browsers. Flash. Flash. Developed by Macromedia. Often requires an extra component, plugin, to play in web browsers. OGG. Theora OGG. Developed by the XF-AVC Foundation. Supported by HTML. WebM. WebM. Developed by Mozilla, Opera, Adobe, and Google. Supported by HTML. MPEG-4 or MP4. MP4. Developed by the Moving Pictures Expert Group. Commonly used in video cameras and TV hardware. Supported by all browsers and recommended by YouTube. Note: only MP4, WebM, and OGG video are supported by the HTML standard. I would like to tell you that we greatly appreciate your likes, comments, and shares and subscribe. Please support us by subscribing to our channel so that we can achieve our 2024 goals. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.